Alright, guys. We had a loss on Volatility 75 today. Actually, it was low key a huge loss. I'm not gonna lie. It was kind of a huge loss. So basically, we're in the zone. Um, I saw that we are in a downtrend, and we have 1 week here, and then we have 2 more weeks into that zone. So it just showed me that this was a clear level. There's some resistance here. Go to the 5 minute time frame. As you can see, the market started going in a downtrending form, and we had a support slash resistance area on this rectangle. So when I saw the 2 week, I decided to sell. It just seemed like a highly probable trade. The H1 candle was down, and I don't know, man. Yeah, this was basically, we were basically caught in a corrective train. This is basically what happened. We were caught in this impulse correction, impulsive move. I wasn't able to spot this. How? I don't know. It was a loss. This was a major loss. I'm just imagining if I kept on holding this trade. Honestly, I should have long closed this trade, but I don't know, man. My psychology was, it was doing its thing. What lesson can I learn from this trade? Bro, this consolidation, it's too noisy, bro. There's some consolidations that you can read through. I'm not gonna lie. You can genuinely read through some consolidations and make profit. But this consolidation, it was a bad choice to make this trade, because this consolidation is just too funny. It's too much. Yes, it was in a downtrending form, but you just can't read through it properly. There's so many order blocks in here. How would you know which one is right? I mean, this is everything. So yeah, this purple line was my take profit. Took a loss. Man, I lost a big amount of balance today from this trade. Yeah, man. I'm gonna give the candle some time to breathe, honestly. That helps with my psychology. This was another entry we could have taken. However, we didn't get that reversal pattern plus retest combination that we always look for. So I didn't get to trade. Yes, there are 2 weeks here. There's one after this body retest. We have one, we have two. That was gonna be a good confirmation, but I always wait for the retest, because when you trade early, what usually happens is that you are going to buy, right? And you're gonna see all these candles. You're gonna get really excited, and then there's always gonna be a reversal, because price can't just move. There has to be a lot of demand for price to move up. Therefore, we look for that retest at the order block, which was supposed to be here in this region. Hasn't come. Maybe it'll come. Will I trade it? No, I just had a loss. So we need to get our minds back in shape before we can trade again. I'll probably trade it on my demo. And yeah, man, that is basically today's trade. It was a really bad one, eh? Like, I genuinely wasn't expecting this. I think this is like the first time I've seen this happening, where like price is convincing you. Like the H1 doesn't lie, guys. If you see this long wick here, Like it was genuine. Like I was like, you know what, this is gonna be a good trade. But hey, man, I guess you just lose sometimes. Sometimes you make stupid mistakes, but yeah. And I guess one more critic of my analysis is this reversal pattern here. I mean, we're not blind. We can see there's a reversal pattern. We have a W formation here on the downside. It's literally just continuing that. And if you can look at this as well, actually seems like price is retesting this body, which honestly I've had trades where I don't look for the body retest. I look at the red candle one, but I'm gonna take this into account. So critic number one was this consolidation. It was too noisy. Yes, there was resistance, but there was just no way I could read through this. You know, it's just way too noisy. Too noisy. Second critic is this reversal pattern here. If you see a W, guys, please just join that reversal pattern. I've been doing reversal patterns for the past week, and for some reason I still traded after seeing the reversal pattern. So that's critic number two. There was a reversal pattern before the order block retest. And when there's a reversal pattern before the order block retest, that's a bad sign. You don't want to be involved in that. What you want to be involved in is the reversal. There's no order block retest here actually. Hold on. But let me just draw this. But basically, you want to be the kind of trader who is involved in the reversal pattern moves. As I've been trading for a while, I've been noticing that this volatility is moving reversal patterns and double wicks for demand pushes. And I'm trying to master this craft because I have seen with my own eyes that it's really profitable. As you guys can see, you want to be involved in these reversal moves. This W formation was there. And after a W formation, what usually happens? What is it that I've learned from trading the 5 minute? Because you guys know whatever happens on the 5 minute can happen on the higher time frame, right? After a reversal pattern, people get fooled into thinking that, you know, it reversed, we're buying. You want to buy here where I put this order block. That's probably where you bought, before the retest, because you were retesting this. You probably saw this and retested it, right? That's a good trade. It's fine. You won. Yeah, in profits now. I hope you closed because we're in an order block right now. But after a reversal, what usually happens is that there's like a pullback to that reversal zone, and then price goes even higher. Price can come here, and after it comes there, that's when you get the actual move. And that's how reversal patterns work in deriv. So if you saw this reversal pattern, please don't be the first one to enter, right? You'll get liquidated. Always wait for that retest and you're gonna see results. So yeah, that was my mistake. I'm 4 months into trading. My trading journey has been very, I don't even know how I can say it, but it hasn't been the smoothest thing. But as of late, I've been making so much progress and I'm just happy for myself. I know the breakthrough is coming soon. All I can do is focus on the process if you are new, just focus on the process. There is nothing wrong with taking trades on your demo account. Alright? There's nothing wrong with trading demo accounts. There's nothing wrong with using small lot sizes. It's you versus you at the end of the day. I made a loss today. If I used a way bigger lot size, my account would have been gone. And that's the thing about trading. You're gonna make mistakes. So you can't just always rush. I had a very good trade yesterday. V25. In this trade, I saw this double wick entered at the candle close. I made profit. And this morning, I have a loss. So my win rate so far is 50%. Right? 50% from learning this new strategy. So if you're new to trading, all I can say is please focus on the process. We are gonna lose. You are going to lose at some point. And bro, when you lose, sometimes you're gonna look at the data, you're gonna look at the chart and say, wow, why didn't I see that? And that's the beauty of trading. Every time you lose, you have to be able to see something. The more you lose, the less you lose. Because when you trade and you lose, you're learning from your mistakes. There are some traders out there that don't learn from their mistakes. Genuinely, there's traders out there who make mistakes, who lose, and they're like, man, I lost $10 today. I'm depressed. I'm sad. I'm everything, But why did you lose? You are not going to, guys, if you lose and you don't know why you lost, you're not gonna go anywhere in this trading shit. Sorry for the vulgar, but I just had to. In this trading game, you're not gonna make it if you don't learn from your mistakes. You lost a huge amount of money. I mean, to be honest, money shouldn't even be the first thing on your mind when it comes to trading. You should think about the process. The process was gonna make you money. I'm gonna be an advocate for that. But you need to find out why you lost. I found out why I lost. You guys can see right here. We traded a correction. We didn't trade a reversal pattern. There's no reversal pattern here. Matter of fact, this is just a continuation pattern. This kind of thing is a continuation pattern. This little trend line thing. And I didn't see that when I was live trading. Because I was just looking for one thing. I wasn't thinking of other perspectives. You really need to look on the other side of the spectrum. And again, this consolidation is just too much. This is exactly how you're gonna feel when you lose. And the beautiful thing about this is that you're not gonna make the same mistake when you make it once. You're gonna see it again and you're gonna say, no, I'm not taking that trade. And boom, your trading balance lives another day. You need to protect your capital, manage your risk. Yes, psychology is still an issue, for me anyway. It's getting much better. I'm not some, completely new trader. But yeah, my psychology is getting better. This trade should have been closed a long time ago, if I'm being real. Probably like here, if I'm being honest. At least here. Because that just shows up there's barely no future. My balance was dropping, all that. But anyway, we make mistakes. Yeah, man, I'm just gonna keep doing my thing. I'm gonna let the charts breathe. I'm not gonna look at the chart until the next 4 hours or something. I'm not gonna even trade on my real account today anyway. If I do see an entry, I'm not gonna trade on my real account. I'm gonna trade on my demo. This is the best way to ensure that I have longevity. My trading balance can live on another day, but I'm still trading on a demo using the same strategy, same risk management, to just show myself that you can lose, you can win, all that shit. But yeah, that's today's trade review, and I'll see you guys in the next one.